Beginning of time, people have strived for wealth. The richest individuals in history amassed their fortunes through a variety of means, ranging from inheritance to entrepreneurship. For some, wealth is a measure of power and success. For others, it represents security and freedom. Whatever the motivation, there is no denying that wealth can have a profound impact on one's life. This video will explore how to become wealthy fast. Advance in your career. Many people have become wealthy by climbing the ladder in their careers. In order to advance in your career, it is important to set goals and work towards achieving them. By identifying what you want to achieve, you can develop a plan of action and track your progress. Additionally, it is important to network with other professionals and build relationships within your industry. By sharing information and resources, you can not only gain valuable insights, but also demonstrate your commitment to your career. Finally, it is important to continuously develop your skills and knowledge. By staying up to date on trends and best practices, you can position yourself as an expert in your field and increase your chances of advancement. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of success and take your career to the next level. Work more. It sounds simple, but one way to become wealthy faster is by working more. This can be done by picking up more responsibilities at your current job or getting a second job. Many people think they are only capable of working 40 hours a week, but some high achievers choose to push themselves and aim for 50 or 60. This can be done by working on the weekends or staying late at work. Some jobs may even offer overtime pay, which could multiply your efforts. The billionaire Mark Cuban said he would become a bartender in the evenings as a second job when asked what he would do if he had to start over again from nothing. If bartending isn't your style, there are lots of other side hustles that people can pick up in this day and age, from delivering food to tutoring. Spend wisely. When it comes to spending money, it's important to be wise. To become wealthy fast, invest your money instead of blowing it on unnecessary things. There's no need to spend extravagantly in order to have a good time or enjoy life. In fact, many of the most enjoyable experiences are free or relatively inexpensive. It's all about finding a balance that works for you. For example, if you love going out to eat, that doesn't mean you need to eat out every night. Instead, try cooking at home more often and reserving restaurant meals for special occasions. The same goes for shopping. It's okay to treat yourself on occasion, but there's no need to keep up with the latest trends or buy things you don't really need. Just be mindful of your spending, and you'll be sure to stay on budget. It's also important to be mindful of monthly subscriptions that you may have lost track of. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video about how to become wealthy fast. If you did, please like and subscribe to see more business tips. Peace.